Say man, hey man, it's your boy YP and we back with another video. So in today's video, hey, as you can see from the thumbnail and the title, you feel me? We finna go cop something. What is it? Is this gonna be a C6 Corvette? Or is it gonna be a drift car? Cause we could go drift car with the C6, but we could go drift car with another type of car. And it ain't right if we don't do like a JDM. I think, what you think, Javis? I think I wanna go C6, bro.
Bring back the LSs, man. You know you got one down right now.
Hey, they don't know about that. Why why you doing that?
Bring it up right now.
Nah, yeah, don't bring it up. Hey, we gotta update. We gotta update the chat, bro. We finna go pick it up right now. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all gonna see what we gonna go with. All right, chat, we finally made it. Look, behind this door is either a C6 or a drift car, bro. What y'all think it is? Man, y'all ready for it? You ready for it? Who is this guy? Why is he here?
I can turn the camera.
All right, chat, come on, look. Facts, dude. So this really came out of nowhere, bro. This bitch really finna be insane. It's a 370Z. My dog Ryan in the house. He's the one selling it to us. Yeah, man. And it's a manual. Stop playing, bro.
Your first Manny. What a guy.
Hey, fuck it. We here. All right, chat. Ooh, man, that is crazy. Chat, we got a manual. Stop playing. Man, that's crazy, chat. Mind y'all though, I ain't drive a manual in so long. Oh, that's crazy, bro. What the fuck? Chat, man, we about to do big things with this car. Like, it still ain't even sink in that I got it. Cause it's like, it just really happened out of nowhere, bro. I gotta tell y'all the whole backstory and everything, bro. So I don't know if y'all know, but Glock had a Mustang. And bro, I hated to drive his Mustang, bro. His clutch and his shifter, man, that bit was so bad. But this right here though, pressure. Uh-oh, I'm tripping on this shit. Uh-oh. What I was saying is with a manual, you have to kind of get used to where it engage at. And that's kind of where I'm at with it right now. But man, I already had checked the car out yesterday too, chat. So I didn't really just pick up the car. You know what I'm saying? I already had checked it out. And I already known of this car for a minute. Ryan, bro, he been having this car for like, I think, a couple of years, bro, and he just genuinely haven't done anything with it. Like, it just sits in the garage. He got a Tesla, and he's literally just been chilling. So he really ain't been doing nothing to it. And then I just happened to ask him, like, bro, because I was looking for either like a C6 or just a good project car where I could just do a drift build. Because I've been interested in doing a drift build for a minute. I hit him up, and he just told me he was thinking about putting it on Facebook Market. And I was like, man, look, let me go check it out again. And then I checked it out yesterday, and I happened to I'm like, bro, I need it. I ain't gonna lie, I need it. Like, I couldn't beat the price too. He showed love on the price, so man, look, we got a 370Z. Look, man, we finna, oh. As y'all seen the GoPro, this is not my first time driving. This is my second time actually driving it. And bro, I just gotta get used to it, bro. But I ain't gonna lie, I like that manual life, bro. That manual life different. You feel a little connected with the car, you feel me? This the perfect car. Can't even explain, like, bro, it got the back bumper already did. Like, I don't even have to buy no aftermarket back bumper. It got like a couple dents in it. Got a dent right here, a dent right here, but this is a little body work, you know what I mean? We got a G for that, you know what I mean? Got the exhaust already done. You see the spider web, bro? This car really was sitting for a minute, bro. We're gonna get her cleaned up and everything, though. Another reason that pushed me going, instead of getting a C6, I could've got a C6 and did a drift build, or I could've just did a regular, like, make it look good C6. But what I decided to go with is a full JDM drift build. And the reason I'm doing this is because of this car right here. And look, now we finna call my dog when we get to the shop. I gotta show him what he inspired me to get, bro. Patricia. That's not her name. Her name is Zebra.
No, why your car got a black person name? For cinematic.
My dog Mike.
What up?
What's there, bro? What you got going?
Something sick.
Hey, it's because of you, bro. You made me do this. I want you to know that. Hey, you pulled up. You done made the takeover kids and go ahead. You made them go professional, man. I think that's what. I think this is what's going on. I'm not gonna lie. Boom.
Hell yeah.
Manny too. Ain't no auto.
What are you
I need tips from you, bro. I'm new to this. I don't know about too much like about drift cars or JDMs like that. This is my first JDM, my first stick shift.
I always tell people coilovers, welded diff, a seat, a good steering wheel, a good shift knob.
Okay, bet.
You just want to be comfortable and like, all right, bro, hit me up when you need something.
All right, bro. Peace.
Oh, bitch, I hit it first roll.
Damn.
Double line. Bitch, and you a hoe. 7 again. Oh, shit. Almost.
Ah! Gotta see if it's durable. Whistling diesel type of
if it's durable.
No, never mind. I think it's durable. I think it's good enough, bro. He said we got an LS swap. That's crazy. We thought about that. So chat, we're gonna blow the motor up first and then we LS swapping. Ain't that right?
I'm not the fucking chat, bitch.
All right, guys, it's time to break it down. What's wrong with the car? What we doing with the car? First of all, the car has like a radiator leak whenever we first bought it. So we have to fix the radiator. That's first. Second, nothing else is wrong with the car.
What do you mean nothing else?
Wait, hey, not that I know. Okay, wait. There is, I low-key see oil on the ground. I think that's from Javis' truck. He just tracked it inside.
I've never spoken.
But hey, things we're gonna do to it. We're gonna weld the diff, get some coilovers. After we get adjustable coilovers, we have to get all of this, bro. We're gonna do the angle kit. Once we do the angle kit, we're definitely gonna get like a carbon fiber hood. We're gonna get the wrap in. A wing. I don't know if I'm gonna go carbon fiber wing, but I'm definitely getting another wing. I think I'm gonna do like a duck bill.
Fucking chassis mount.
Hey, that thing is like $4 grand. I'm not doing that. New tail lights. They got these LED ones that they got. It's either the all white ones or they got the ones that change colors, which I might do. I always like that. New wheels for sure. Definitely get new wheels in. I don't need exhaust. Probably get some headers in. Probably upgrade the turbos, bigger intakes, the hydraulic brake. Is that what it's called? Hydro brake? Yep. Off to the interior. Gonna roll in over here. All right. As far as interior, we're gonna get a bucket seat. Like Mike said, I can't just be moving around in there. I have to be steady and you feel me? So we're gonna get a bucket seat. The shifter, the hydro shift. I need that for whenever I'm drifting. I said hydro drift.
Shifter.
Oh, hydro, I'm tripping. Hey, I am gonna upgrade the shifter too though. So I'm upgrading the shifter. I think that's what I was thinking about. I confused it. So I'm upgrading the shifter and I'm gonna also install in a hydro brake. There you go.
Are we doing the front steering wheel? I like the steering wheel that go click the look.
Yeah. So we changing the steering wheel too. We're gonna definitely do that. Put the screen in, the big screen, kind of like the LED touch one. And I think that's it for the interior. All right, guys, thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for watching the entire video. Hey, I hope y'all like this build. I hope y'all into it. I know most of y'all not used to them. Y'all used to like Hellcats and Scat Packs and stuff like that. But guess what, bro? Now we leveling up. We going to JDM Japanese. Wait, I was looking for something else to say. Anyway, back to you guys, because I hope you guys enjoy this, bro. It's gonna be a crazy adventure. There's another car added to the fleet, and we gotta update you guys. Oh, the McLaren in the shop too. Glock broke it. Thank y'all. Let me know what y'all think about the new build. Let me know what y'all think about the car. Let me know the things y'all think I should do to it. Let me know, guys.